Fixed this carpet for me the other day. I thought he would because he has OCD and he's going to care about it more than I do. And it is turned up a little tiny bit, you know, from the side, whatever. Yeah, I was looking for my stand yesterday and I couldn't find it, so I took apart the couch to see if it was underneath it, and instead I found a bunch of toys for both Squish and Karina. I need to do the dishes. Boom, boom. And this is tea from the other day, so I do need to do the dishes and clean out my kitchen and stuff like that. So I need to pick up that plate from Squish's food yesterday. I've been feeding him out here. See, that's his plate of wet food. So yeah, this way he has his wet food, and it's in a room that I could just close off to Karina. So, and yes, Squish does get closed off in there sometimes, but it's okay though. He'll meow and he comes right back out because I wait for him. So, and he'll come get me if he needs me. So, he's an awesome cat. Alright, that's it for my update. I need to figure out something for dinner as well because it is 2:10. We need to start dinner. And I think I'm gonna put Karina down. I don't know what she's doing. So, alright, that's it.